You won't believe how soft this gluten-free bread is. Just mix and bake. Let's get started. This is part 1 of the series, Just Mix and Bake. Add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ground chia seeds, and mix everything well. Now I'll add 200 milliliters of warm water. I recommend using slightly warmer water because it helps the chia seeds swell beautifully. Once everything is well combined, let the mixture rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add 2 grams of yeast. Stir until the yeast dissolves, then use a hand mixer to blend everything into a smooth and even mixture. The mixture has come together beautifully. Now add 220 grams of gluten-free flour and gently mix everything until the ingredients start to form a smooth dough. I like to mix the flour in gently first so it doesn't end up all over the kitchen. Then I mix everything thoroughly until the dough is smooth and well combined. Now it's time to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and some good quality salt. Then I mix everything well until the dough is completely smooth and silky. The dough is ready, smooth and soft. Now I transfer it onto parchment paper and prepare it for the next stage of rising. I lightly wet my hands so the dough doesn't stick. Then I gently shape it without overworking the dough. For the finishing touch, I sprinkle a little sesame on top. It will give the bread a beautiful golden crust and a wonderful finish. For baking, I use a perforated pizza tray because it allows the hot air to circulate more evenly. I transfer the bread onto the tray with the parchment paper, cover it, and let it rest for another 15 minutes. Then I bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, or 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 45 minutes. The bread is beautifully baked and completely cooled. Now I'll slice it so you can see just how soft and tender the crumb is. Look how it springs right back when I gently press it. Thank you for joining me today as we made this quick gluten-free bread. As you can see, it's soft, full of flavor, and thanks to the chia seeds, it stays fresh for up to 3 days. But this is only the beginning of our bread series. In the next video, we'll make the exact same dough, but this time, we'll let it ferment in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Will the flavor become even richer? Will the crumb be even softer and more elastic? We'll find out together. Every fermentation time can create a different flavor, texture, and crumb. In the next videos, we'll compare each version and find out which one turns out the best. I can't wait to discover the results together with you. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'd really appreciate a like, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this bread series. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.